To further explore shapes, what we're going to do is we're going to drag a shape on. So we have a square, we have a circle. Now this one here, it calls it the star and polygon, and what you can do is if you drag it on as a polygon, you can use these two white pulleys and you can change it into things like stars and other shapes like that. Move that one over there. We also have 3D shapes you can use, and we have this curling shape here. So what I'm going to show you what you can do is I'll just delete a few of these shapes off to make it easier. I'm going to show you how to adjust the outlines, because if you look, they've got a thick outline at the moment. So I'll use a square on this one as an example. So you're looking for the fill and stroke panel. On the fill and stroke panel, if you go to stroke style, we have minuses and pluses here. But if you look at that, it's shrinking now, the outline. So if I change it to 2, for example, the outline goes down. I can actually completely remove the outline. If I click back on the shape and move this to 0, it will completely disappear. I'm just going to increase the size again. I'm just going to work my way through the settings of all these different things. So I'll move on to this shape now, the curly shape here. And if I increase the size of this, I want the line thicker for this, just for the purpose of demonstration. Now, if you look at the end of the line there, it's straight. So if I click on that, you've got all these join and cap features here. So if I click on the rounded one, if you look at the end, it rounds the cap at the end there. So there's all these joins you can explore. There's other things called markers. So if you click on a shape, you've got different markers like scissors and arrows and lines you can use. So the first one's a small one. The second one has them all the way around. So if you explore through there's things like that you can do. And obviously, your fill colour. If you go into the fill colour, you can change your colour here or use the colour palettes at the bottom. So, if you click on these shapes and you just go through the stroke style menu and the stroke style paint, or one other thing you might like, if I click on the star for example, on stroke paint you can change the style here, so you can have it different sort of effects there, which is quite nice as well. So, explore that. And on the next tutorial, I'll show you some more tips and tricks on Inkscape.